Alright, so the bike right now has the exhaust, Coffman. Took a little bit of fiddling. I had to rent a special pipe expander tool because my pipe was a little flat on the bottom, so I got that straightened out. Now I'm going to take the bike on a test ride and return the tool. You can immediately hear the difference. I'm going to let it warm up over here so it doesn't make too much noise and smoke. At this point I'm talking to you with a voiceover because so much wind noise and I want to hear the exhaust, and we will. There's a clip in the end of me accelerating. Don't mind my speed. For the record, I can say that this model easily is able to switch to kilometers per hour, which is a possibility. I don't know. As for the noise, how it sounds in person, it's weird. People say it idles kind of long. I think it sounds kind of like a twin or even a big dirt bike, like a big thumper. Listen to this. I'll step out of that. And then when you get to the high RPM, it reminds you it's a 4-cylinder V4. Yeah, so overall, I like this exhaust. I'm really enjoying the weight savings. I don't know if it's psychosomatic, if it's psychological that I can feel it, but I can definitely, I'm experiencing less weight on the bike. If it's psychological or not, doesn't matter to me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't wait for the tune. It still has, there's like a dip, it still has the limiters in first and second gear. There's like a dip that I've noticed around 4,000 RPM when you accelerate, from 3,000, 4,000 to 5. It has like a little dip and then it just really takes off. I'm hoping the tune is going to straighten that out. Alright, without further ado, this is how it sounds.